am very happy. I didn't have to do the plot summary because I would have been. Shah Rukh was hot. Shah Rukh was hot in Chashme. Shah Rukh was hot in his tie. Shah Rukh was hot when he was doing Khai Ke Paan Banana Wala and jiggling his bum.
I think one of the initial scenes where Shah Rukh is wearing his glove and then he takes off his glove with his teeth, one finger at a time. It is.
उसकी आंखों से पता चल रहा था कि उसको कितना प्यार हो गया एकदम से.
Guys, maybe they are really good actors. They had a really good director.
That's what both of कुछ डायरेक्टर ने बोला होगा ना हाथ छुओ यार.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of 10 रुपए की Pepsi, हमारा शाहरुख sexy. We are three friends usually who watch a Shah Rukh Khan movie from the archives and review it, simp about Shah Rukh and just talk about it for as long as we want to and as long as you listen. This week we have a guest joining us who's a close friend of mine from college, Manya, and she has picked the movie Dawn. Before I hand it over to her to give us a brief summary of the movie, I want to inform people that Manya is a dedicated fan and listener of every episode that we've released so far. And
Yeah.
a testament to her dedication to being a guest on this episode, she not only watched Dawn, also watched Dawn 2 and the old Dawn and has come fully prepared with multiple opinions spanning multiple films. And with that, okay, Manya, take it away. Tell us about why you like Shah Rukh Khan, what brought you to the podcast, what you like about the podcast, and then introduce the movie. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah. Okay, hello everyone. Really excited to be a part of this episode. I think when Deeksha first told me she's gonna do this podcast, I was like, bro, I am born for this. I need to be a part of this in whatever capacity. And then Deeksha was like, okay, but we have already finalized everything. I'm like, okay, fine. I will be a listener. So that is one of the reasons I will be
मेरी छल से जो टूटे कोई सपना.
मैंने ना 2 बार मान्या का दिल तोड़ा because even when I asked her if she wants to be a guest, she wanted to pick TDLJ. I was like, no, you can't.
Yeah, she asked me which movie do you want to do. I was like DDLJ, obviously, but she's like, no, you can't do that. So I'm like, okay, fine, I'll pick another movie. But I love Dawn. I think when Dawn came out, before that, and you guys have already done the Fir Bhi Dil Hai Hindustani episode, no? He had that I am the best charisma and aura about him. And he had like that song and everything, but in Dawn, he actually he portrayed it with his actions, which was so cool. I was like completely floored by him. So I think I love his confidence in Dawn, and also his voice and that laugh. Oh my god! So yeah, I picked this movie.
I love you, Manya, for saying this outright.
Yeah. This was a full, I think we were discussing on the chat also. This movie is a thirst trap. He looks so good in the movie. And I hadn't watched the original Dawn ever before this, but so for me, Shah Rukh is Dawn. But for this episode, I was like, okay, I'll do some research. So I watched the original Dawn, and I was like, nope, this doesn't do it for me. I like Shah Rukh as Dawn. I don't care what anybody says. Shah Rukh
That
Khan is
answers
Dawn.
the question. Would you watch it with anyone else?
No, I mean, she would watch it with the original Dawn. There's no way.
No, I would not. This is completely for Shah Rukh. Yeah. Okay, I can get started with details about the movie and the plot. So it essentially came out in 2006, directed by Farhan Akhtar, and you can watch it on Netflix or Prime Video, wherever.
Manya remembers.
I don't
At
know
least
to
someone
say.
does. हमें तो कभी याद नहीं रहता.
Yeah, I have it in my notes.
Like how dedicated is she? She made a note. हम लोग notes नहीं बनाते हैं.
Yeah. So
Talk about yourself, Tiki.
चलो
Notes
ठीक
नहीं
है.
बना रहे हैं.
You big brain cinema.
Yeah. Okay, so the plot is basically there's a team of cops in Malaysia who are trying to catch this drug mafia who is headed by Singhania at the time. And they want to catch Don, who is one of the most dangerous criminals, and he's part of that mafia. And there's like an introduction to Don where he kills one of his close associates because the associate tried to leave the gang. And the fiance of that associate, Ramesh, essentially fiance of Ramesh, she goes to the police, and then they hatch a plan to catch Don. But then Don ends up killing her and fleeing. So her sister Roma, she is like very distraught with all of this, and she wants to take revenge for both the deaths. So she impresses some of the gang members with her fighting skills, and then she successfully joins Don's gang. But after that, there's a deal gone wrong where Don gets injured while being chased by the police, and then he falls into a coma. The DCP De Silva, who is essentially heading this team of cops, he privately keeps him in a facility without telling the rest of the police officers. He knows of a Don lookalike based on some past case. Yeah, I am heavily using Wikipedia. But yeah, so he finds a Don lookalike, Vijay, and he convinces him to join hands with the police. And basically on the promise that he will send Deepu, who is a kid that Vijay is taking care of, he will send him to one of the top international schools. So DCP De Silva takes Vijay to a doctor to get so that they can give him scars that are identical to Don's. And then in that facility, Don dies after a heart seizure. So Vijay, who is posing as a Don who has lost, all memory because of the crash, he rejoins the gang. De Silva has essentially asked Vijay to get a disc which contains all of the business contacts and details of the gang, and he wants Vijay to get that disc to him so that they can completely shut down that gang. Vijay gets that disc, he gives it to De Silva, and then he also tells him Singhania's future location. So De Silva goes there and kills Singhania during a raid. But in all of this, De Silva also gets shot, and Vijay gets caught by the police because of the raid. So now, because De Silva is dead, Vijay has a hard time proving his innocence because he was the only one who knew that Vijay is not actually Don. Yeah, I think I missed.
Sorry, I'm laughing, but I've shit, man.
Hey, it's okay. Mani, if you miss a couple of details, it's okay.
There was
I'm
this
pretty
part
sure.
where Roma
I am
found
so
out.
glad.
I think the Arjun Rampal plotline is very forgettable. Like, it did not really add much to the movie. मतलब 12 साल पहले देखी हुई मूवी में मेरे को याद नहीं था. मान्या ने कल रात को देखी, उसको याद नहीं था. ठीक है. तो मतलब it's very believable. Nobody remembers. I mean, he's hot and it's important, I guess, to the ultimate plot, but not memorable.
No, not Jasjeet. Essentially, Roma also finds out about Vijay's real identity when he was trying to find that disc and give it to De Silva. Roma finds out that she tries to kill him, and because she thinks he's Don, and so but De Silva and Vijay basically tell her that no, this is not Don, this is Vijay. So that
I'm not the
happens.
jungly billy lover, okay? I'm just Vijay from Banaras.
Yeah, so that's what she told him. So Roma is also aware of his innocence, right? So after he gets caught, he basically escapes from a flight, which is such an amazing scene. They're being transported to Malaysia, and he gets into a fight with his associate. Essentially, escapes from the flight from a parachute, which is a very interesting scene of him almost flying on the pretext of a free fall. But it is Dawn, so he can do this.
Dawn कुछ भी कर सकता है.
Yes.
चिड़िया उड़, something उड़, Dawn उड़,
Dawn
works.
Dawn उड़ के उड़ाना है. Yes. So then Dawn's associates also find out that, okay, he is not the real Dawn because he was saying all of that to the police. And they also turn against him. Now coming to Jasjeet, let's give a backstory about Jasjeet. Deepu's father.
All you need to know about Jasjeet is he's very hot and he's played by Arjun Rampal. He's
Yeah,
a hot
yeah.
That's
tortured
what Preeti also
dad
knows and remembers.
who's in jail for most
He's
of the
a
movie.
daddy. He's a daddy.
Yeah, he is really hot in the film, and he does all. I think most of his shots are like him working out or him being angry. That's it. That's all that there is to Jasjeet, except that one shot where he's that IT consultant, which I did not like at all.
Hey, you're forgetting my
mean, he was-
favorite shot, the fight scene between him and Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah.
He's not just
Yeah,
flexing his muscles, he's using them also.
I mean, he was in jail for like how many years there? I mean, working out and being angry is literally all he's got.
That's true. That's true. Yeah, so there's a whole story to why he was in jail also, and he essentially wants to kill De Silva. Okay, when he's released from prison, he wants to kill De Silva. The backstory to that is that some years ago, somebody had kidnapped his wife, and then also kidnapped him, and they were blackmailing him that if you want to see your wife alive, you need to steal some diamonds from it was either the Mr. Joshi, it was either his client or his employer, but he had some
Joshi.
information about how to get into that place. So yeah, that person wanted him to steal those diamonds, but when he was in the act, like De Silva basically caught him red-handed, and he refused to believe Jasjeet's story, and then he just put him in prison. So Jasjeet's wife died in all of this. And now that he's out of prison, he wants revenge and he wants to kill De Silva. So Jasjeet goes to his apartment, finds the disc, and he gets a call that says that we have Deepu. You need to come here and get the disc with you. When he goes there, he realizes that De Silva has been alive, and De Silva is actually Vardhan, who was part of the whole racket. They're essentially the same person. And he was using Vijay.
But
to
Vardhan
reach-
is like slightly more emo version of De Silva, like, you know, with the kajal and eyeliner and like the slick back hair, and he's like, if
Leather
De Silva
jacket.
one day,
Leather
yeah.
jackets.
Yeah.
they had to like somehow differentiate. I think even with Vijay and Dawn, they tried to even Shah
With
Rukh
the
has
hair.
a different look for
The hair, like the hair
The
was very
hair,
evident.
yeah, and he
jet
somehow
black hair, na?
Yeah.
Ekdam jet black. I couldn't get past the hair in that, and also some kind of foundation or something saped they put
something
on
was
his
off.
face.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I was
don't
just
know what it was.
No, I'll tell you,
they put some
I don't think it was the foundation. I think वो उसको lip color दे दिया था ना पान की वजह से, तो contrast was more
No,
that
no.
like his skin looked lighter because of his lips.
Actually, I felt the other way. I think they gave him more white foundation or sunscreen or something, and then put that orange red thing so that it like just takes the whole thing to that area. I don't know. Like I don't know if I'm saying what I'm able to explain. I'd like to say, Jovi, XYZ. Sorry. Yeah, go ahead, Madhya.
Yeah, but we could visually tell the difference. So yeah. So they find out that this is Vardhan, and he was just using Vijay to reach Singhania. But Jasjeet and Deepu, they are able to escape that place, and they team up with Vijay, Roma, and the Interpol officers, basically. Then in the final scene, there is Vijay calls De Silva to a place so that he can give him the disc, and he essentially Vardhan. At that time, Vardhan is looking for that, so he calls Vardhan, and then he gets a confession out of him. He gets arrested, and there's a whole fight sequence which is very hot. From Shah Rukh's perspective,
It's a
Boman
fight
Irani has
sequence
also
with
acted very well.
Boman Irani in it, and we're calling it hot. Okay.
No, Boman Irani has acted very well, but Shah Rukh, dude, his face when he's doing all those punches, he has such anger on his face and in his eyes. His hair is all wet. It looks so good.
Yeah, it's
But
not like she
anyway.
has eyes for Boman Irani at all in this scene.
Yeah.
वो Boman Irani होता कोई और होता Paresh Rawal, she wouldn't give a fuck.
Yeah, that's true. I was not really noticing it, and
Yeah.
it was hard for me to keep up with the story also because I kept focusing on Shah Rukh. But yeah, so then in this fight, Vijay was wounded, but the police basically find out because of the confession that he is innocent. So so he's taken to the hospital, and at that time, Roma confesses her love for him. But he says a line, मुझे जंगली बिल्लियां बहुत पसंद है, which Dawn had said to her.
What Spoiler alert!
Yeah. So now, no spoiler. It's been a while since this movie is out. This line everybody
Listen,
knows.
I am so proud of you, Manya, that you kept saying Vijay, 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 Vijay till the end. Like, you spoke like how the movie is. That's
Yeah.
not how we were doing, like, when we were talking in chats while earlier. We never called him Vijay. And
Yeah.
throughout the movie,
He
we
was
were
drawn to us
Manya is
because we
such
all knew the twist. Yeah.
Manya is
Yeah.
like very nice bacha, very nicely she's saying in the end. But yeah, end में वो ना जंगली बिल्लियाँ बहुत पसंद है मुझे. That's so nice.
It's almost as if people are following Manya's story to wait for the twist. She's going to surprise them. देखो twist था इसमें.
So he tells her that मुझे जंगली बिल्लियाँ बहुत पसंद है, and which Dawn had said to Roma in private. So she realizes a little too late that this was actually Dawn, but by that time he had escaped. So they then like the movie basically explains how it happens. That in that hospital where Vijay was being given the scars like Dawn, Dawn had essentially woken up and he had replaced the hospital beds between Vijay and Dawn. And so the person who actually had the seizure was Vijay. So yeah, Roma realizes that, oh no, what has happened? And Dawn is scot-free. And he rejoins Aisha Kopikar. Wait, what was her name?
Isha Kopikar.
Yeah.
Isha Kopikar.
Isha
So
Kopikar.
inconsequential, नाम भी नहीं याद है.
So he's basically free at the end of the movie, and he says, "Dawn ko pakadna, mushkil hi
Mushkil hi
nahi."
nahi. You know what I love about that scene is that he didn't even need to do it. Like, he could have gotten away and no one would have known, and he could have like completely or like, you know, just hidden the fact that he is in fact Dawn. He could have exploited that so much more. But
Yeah.
he just had to do it for the thrill. Like, he just had to and it was twice that he did it, you know, like in the beginning of the movie when he has Kareena Kapoor hostage and the gun doesn't have bullets in it, and only he and Kareena know that the gun doesn't have bullets in it, and right when the lift door is just about to close on Boman Irani's face, he clicks the gun, and then Boman Irani knows, oh fuck. Like, that's nice that he had that power move on, you know, the person in front where the door is shutting and he's done something that, you know, like just for fuck's sake.
You know how people say you have fuck you money? Like Dawn just has fuck you power. Like, I can just do things to fuck around with you.
It's very thrills by Shah Rukh. Very thrills by Shah Rukh. Like the end when he just tells her for the thrills of it, you know, मुझे भी जंगलियाँ बहुत पसंद है. And the door closes and the mirrors, you can see the shift in the face.
See the slight expression change.
His eyes, and he's just like, I have won, you know. I have won at life, you idiots. You meager people. And it is so, very, 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 very Shah Rukh Khan, yes. But
I also love that in that last scene only when he's being wheeled into that ambulance, they're presumably his men, right? Because that is his escape. So he asked them also, oh, can Roma come with us? Like, he wants her to come. So he has said all of that just for show. So okay, let's go with the first impressions. What did you guys think? Did anybody watch it for the first time, or had everyone watched it?
No.
What a joke. Actually, like a better question to ask is, how did you feel about the movie when you watched it for the first time? Like, did you watch it in the theater? Like,
so
did you watch it in the theater? And, like,
that I don't remember if I watched it in the theater or not. But when Dawn was coming out, before I watched the movie, my parents told me to watch the old Dawn because they said it's a remake of that and you should watch. So I knew what the plot was going to be loosely, right? Like, I had seen the Amitabh Bachchan Dawn and I was like, okay, this will happen. Vijay will come. He will take over. So that was the like background with which I watched the movie, which I'm sure a lot of people watched the movie with. So the twist at the end was really mind-blowing. Like, it was like when he said, "Mujhe jangli billiyan bahut pasand hai na," that same realization that dawns on Priyanka, dawned on everyone that was watching the movie, and it was like, fuck! Like, they remade this movie, but they added a twist. Like, And I mean, they added multiple twists. The Vardhan thing was also a twist, but I feel like that's still thoda non-consequential. Matlab, at least in the in this Dawn, because it was played by Boman Irani and he's like a celebrated actor and everything. I don't even remember कि पुराने Dawn में किसने play किया था, क्या था, Vardhan का कुछ role भी था या नहीं था. That was it. The movie was all about Amitabh Bachchan, right? But that was not like, I mean, yeah, the movie was all about Shah Rukh Khan. I will not deny that. But yeah, I mean, Boman Irani's plot twist was also interesting.
You can't take away him.
Yeah, you can't take that away. And yeah, dude, it was just like such a fun film.
Yeah, I remember when I watched it in the theater, and so I hadn't watched the previous Dawn, so I had no idea what's going on. And despite that, I was also completely blown away by the twist. Also, my parents who were with me, I remember them being very apprehensive because for them, remaking old music and old movies is always a bad idea. Why are you touching our classics? Like, we would feel if someone would make DDLJ later, right? We're like, why would you touch our classics?
Exactly. And it's exactly the same time difference also, like 1970s to 2000s versus...
So they were very apprehensive because this is probably a very bad idea, but they were also completely blown over. Like, this is such a good movie. And actually, the Vardhan twist is also there in the previous Dawn. Just that in that, the guy who plays Malik is actually Vardhan.
Yeah.
And it's not that it's not that Vardhan, Malik used to be Vardhan. In that movie, he just impersonates Malik. He's like, Vardhan is a separate character altogether, impersonating a police officer. Yeah, but that twist was still there. But this was completely mind-blowing. Also, then you realize, okay, obviously there's going to be a sequel then, because that's probably why they did it, right?
Yeah.
तो गाइस मेरे को तो ना याद ही नहीं है कुछ. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर मैंने ये पहले देखी है. ठीक है,
मतलब तुम्हें कल रात का याद नहीं है कुछ या फिर पहली बार देखने का?
कल रात का भी कभी याद होगा.
तो मैं नहीं.
प्रीति, did you watch the movie for the plot?
What was the plot?
Watch it for the plot.
I am very happy I didn't have to do the plot summary because I would have been... Shah Rukh was hot. Shah Rukh was hot in Chashme. Shah Rukh was hot in his tie. Shah Rukh was hot when he was doing Khai Ke Paan Banana Swala and jiggling his bum. Everything Shah Rukh was hot in his tub. Like saying Jungli William hot pasand hai. Twice, like how am I supposed to? After the interval, we guys took a break for the listeners here because Manya had a meeting. So 30 minutes to 40 minutes we had. I went back.
You needed to rewatch the important scenes. What is the definition of important here?
Yeah, I would also like to know that.
So I totally missed Priyanka Chopra's entry. Clearly, I had no idea. I was just so amazed by Shah Rukh. I totally missed कि वो आई कैसे अंदर, कि उसने कैसे उनको impress किया. No fucks given, okay? That I missed. This whole Vardhan wala scene ki who the fuck is Vardhan? When Boman Irani is telling ki they will not know who I am and he's burning that photo of him sitting with Singhania, even though I'm trying to be nice with you guys on chat, in my head, Vardhan कौन है यार? मेरे को Dawn पता है.
Oh God.
Sorry.
Amazing.
So clearly I didn't remember a lot of the movie from 2006 क्योंकि मेरे को तो कल ही याद नहीं था.
Yeah, and this was also like a relentless assault on your senses, right? And because first there's Shah Rukh in all his glory, and then there's Arjun Rampal in all his glory, and both of them were fighting in all their respective glories. So I mean, really, you had no chance there.
I mean, yeah, my daddy issues were even called out. How do I care about the plot somehow? But to be fair to the movie, I went back because I was so I think first 15-20 minutes took me a while. Like for me, it's when Shah Rukh is like, मेरे को उसके जूते देखे थे उसके and all of that, you know. That's when I'm like I'm like his shoes. He makes that very amazing face when he's terrible shoes. So I think that's for me the point in the movie. I think when I'm just like, ooh, sexy. Oh, okay, something's gonna happen. And then I'm somewhere getting getting into it. But of course, Hot Shah Rukh, so I couldn't really focus much. And at the same time, as the plot was thickening, I was like, okay, fine, I need to go and really pay attention because this is a nice movie. I am forgetting why this is a cult. So that's why I went and rewatched it.
Yeah, so for me, I think I also watched Dawn now, and one of the main takeaways for me from the movie was there was such flair in not only the dialogues, in the acting, in the way they had shown all of this tech. And surprising thing was like, even though they show like such a high tech world, there's like nobody has the real photo of Vardhan or Dawn. It's so funny to me that, oh, you're like colliding these two, you're saying both of these statements in one breath. How is that possible? But they completely believed in it and they just ran with it. So I loved the confidence of everybody in the movie, the makers and the actors. That's what was like a really big standout. And all the flair that Shah Rukh brings is just amazing.
He
He
has so
has
much style,
such
like
flair.
such
Yeah,
pizzazz. He's wearing the tie
exactly.
inside his shirt, and like
Yeah.
collar कुछ नहीं हो किस काम का tie है पता नहीं वैसे
I
tie
mean,
का कोई
that's
काम नहीं
actually
होता but
that's called a
it's
cravat.
his
It's a thing.
I did
Really?
not know that.
It's not a
It's called.
cravat though.
Never
It's a
seen it on
cravat,
anyone
dude. It's a
except
cravat
him.
slash scarf which men wear. It's common.
It's not
It's not a.
necessarily. No, it's
It's
not.
not a
It's
tie.
not. It's not a tie, but it's also not a scarf thingy. Like
Cravat.
I like.
It's cravat, not a scarf. Cravat.
But like
Cravat
the
other
one thing
pehante
that
Oh
you
my
hain.
put
God,
in your
guys,
yeah.
can we just all agree Shah Rukh is stylish and not argue about the definition
That's
of
for
a
sure.
fucking cravat or whatever? All-
I mean, Preeti wanted to debate. मैं तो point बोल रहा था. But yeah, this movie has so much flair, like so much style, and see, it's always very difficult to make a remake. And
Yeah.
one, you're making remake of a very iconic movie of its time, right? Very iconic, which people associate with one of being the best action movies. Secondly, you're taking Amitabh Bachchan's movie and remaking it. And who's doing it? Shah Rukh Khan, who's anyways compared to Amitabh Bachchan, right? He was the superstar of his generation. He's the superstar of his generation.
Yeah.
So you're taking a pretty big risk. And to do that, I think Farhan Akhtar obviously had like a very big role in that because the music, it's so contemporary. And I was reading a bit about it, is that he wanted to make a very similar story, which he did, but place it in a very modern looking sort of a setting, which is where all the tech and all the pizzazz and all the style comes in. And obviously Shah Rukh just carries it off so well. Like I think उसका पूरा body act कर रहा है, like his body language is acting, his clothes choices are sort of very well chosen, and his eyes, and I keep saying this throughout the podcast that Shah Rukh's eyes act. Dawn was the first movie that it really hit me hard because all you had to do is look in his eyes and you could see this is Vijay, this is Dawn, this is Vijay, this is Dawn, and kept flashing throughout the movie, right? And now we can catch it because now we've seen it multiple times, at least I have, and you would expect and know that this guy is actually Dawn. His
And
eyes
also,
acting, that's just unreal.
in this movie specifically, also his lips. I don't know. It's like the way he blows the smoke out, and also
Sorry.
those
I'm just-
sneering expressions that he makes on his face, like where like one side of his mouth will go up and like his nose will all get crinkled, and oh my God, he's so good with his facial expressions, and it's just
Even-
so delightful to watch.
And the body language as well, like the way he has the Dawn walk and he
Yeah,
goes.
the Dawn walk.
Like it's Dawn. And the way he's like there is a scene wherein that वो जो भी होता है safe space, safe बोलते हैं क्या बोलते हैं, not the safe space like it's a safe space to talk, but जहाँ पे वो सारे पैसे रखते हैं अपने जो
Like
भी
तिजोरी
what
वाला
is it?
Safe.
हाँ.
Yeah, safe only. Safe. Boy, locker, whatever.
हाँ तो उस पे जब वो उस लॉकर को खोलता है सीढ़ी रखने के लिए and he's wearing that pink shirt because it probably
Yeah.
came in my dreams last night. He goes into like he puts his hand on that locker thing and he just leans and he's just like this. I don't know, the way he just moves speaks Dawn in the movie, and I was like wow, like oh my God, wow.
I
I wasn't
think
prepared for this.
You know, Shah Rukh says a lot of the times that he wanted to always be an action hero, but like, you know, this Yash Chopra and gang sort of just put him into that romantic hero archetype. I feel like Dawn was him finally realizing his dream, and he was so excited about it that that excitement came out in the character. So not only is he
Yeah,
doing all that
yes.
action, he's just genuinely so pumped to be playing that character that like it's just coming out in his body language and his expressions, and it just elevated the character so much.
Yeah, and it's
And I
such
was
a
just thinking,
great combination of like the comedic timing of Shah Rukh as an actor, right? There is comedy in there is action in there is a little bit of romance also. Like it was like the perfect amalgamation of Shah Rukh, the Badshah of Bollywood.
And like you,
yeah.
The
when you
Badshah
realize
of the
the twist,
underworld.
and by the end of it, when you realize like this guy is actually Don, like you're all the more impressed by first of all Don, because like he's
Yeah.
pulling so many strings, right? Like he has
Yeah,
so
he was
many things
supposed to be
going
in a
on.
coma and he did a body exchange. He woke
That
up from a coma.
and secondly, like you're like, because now you're impressed by Shah Rukh because you've seen the movie, like we saw the movie again and correlated all the points where you could see like the hints of Dawn when he's actually being Vijay. So as Diksha pointed out, this is another level of Inception, right? It's
Yeah.
Dawn playing Vijay, playing Dawn, at times also being Vijay back again.
Diksha said it
was
much
pretty
better
crazy.
though. क्या है Diksha जी please ना यार please.
I said it's
Hey, Preeti, thank
like
you so
very
much for the
similar
kiss.
to very similar to
What?
Fan. Like, you know, you have Shah Rukh pretending to be Shah Rukh playing Shah Rukh.
Sorry, Dick, I had to take that big on you a little bit. But
Go ahead.
Previous Vendetta. Uh, Dawn.
And I think this movie just got like so many things and everything right. It just, I mean, you try and look for bad things. है ही नहीं है. The music is blows it out of the park. It's so good.
Amazing.
Like
I love that
the
they did
background.
a mix of the old soundtrack kind of
Yeah.
remade and
Yeah.
they added original songs to it. I really liked Karina's number also. Like I thought it was a really good homage to Helen. And like
Yeah.
she holds her own as an individual
Yeah.
also. Like it's not just her copying Helen, right? Like she's shining in her own right. Like I loved it. It was too good.
Yeah, it was
And the
really well
chemistry
done.
between Shah Rukh and Kareena is also off the charts. And at the same time, I think PC and SRK didn't really have to probably act a lot.
Yeah, thanks for bringing that in. We
Oh.
definitely had to address that. This is probably where PC fell for Shah Rukh.
Bro, matlab the way, like with those scenes when she's looking at SRK for the Dawn for the first time and she's at that beach bed kind of thing, and the way she's looking at him, and when the roles are reversed, when she's coming out of the swimsuit and he's
Yeah.
coming, and that wink which I had to go back twice and thrice to see, like it was the energy, the way they are dancing together even in the Main Hu Dawn title track when she's wearing that gown thingy, and you can just see like the ease and the, I don't know. Although I do think Shah Rukh can probably romance Wall if he wants to. How can we forget? Fall will kill us for the slander. I think my brain has really lost its marble after seeing Dawn being so hot in a bathtub. But yes, they were really.
Preeti, I have a question.
Priyanka-
Were you actually trying to blow the bubbles away of Shah Rukh? or at least manifesting it a little bit कि थोड़े से तो उड़ जाओ please.
नहीं यार, मतलब मैं काफी ऐसे थर्स बोलती रहती हूँ, लेकिन ऐसे असली में मुझे लगता है कि काफी पावन शाहरुख ही अच्छा लगता है मेरे को.
तो तुम्हें चैट में क्या हो जाता है ये? What is this कि मैं रियल लाइफ में ठीक हूँ but चैट में full हवस. Only
भाई
हवस.
unhinged. With you guys I can be unhinged about it ना. So मतलब प्रियंका was also being a little bit unhinged here and there. Like उनके ब्रश कर रहे थे हाथ आपस में, उसकी आंखों से पता चल रहा था कि उसको कितना प्यार हो गया एकदम से.
Guys,
मतलब
maybe
I
they are
don't
really
blame
good
them.
actors. and they had a
I
really
was
good
about to say,
director.
That's
who
what वो
brought
तो
out
because
the
डायरेक्टर
best
ने
of
बोला
it,
होगा
and
ना हाथ छुओ
that's
यार.
यार इतना भी improvise नहीं किया होगा.
मतलब
If
शाहरुख
इतना
knows
improvise कर
her.
दिया होता, then it would have been a much bigger scandal.
god.
Like Farhan Akhtar would only be like, तुम पहले ये कर लो, बाद में shooting हो जाएगी.
And that's also kind of true. But yeah, like I really enjoyed their screen space together a lot. Like even though Priyanka's role is also kind of forgettable-ish, तो ऐसा कुछ
I
ज्यादा
don't
कुछ
think
कर
it's
नहीं दिया
forgettable.
वो.
Like
I think it's very
she
minor.
really leaves a mark, but she really like the impact of her role, her screen presence is
Ah,
insane.
I
okay,
disagree.
right.
I don't feel
She-
like she
I-
had as much of an impact as even Baman Irani. And I feel like I
No,
mean,
she doesn't
the
have much of
role,
an impact on story, maybe, but when she's on screen, I could really feel it. And I don't think anybody else at that time could have pulled it off with
yeah, but I
the way
think
she
that
did
is,
it.
I would argue that is any scene with Priyanka Chopra in it. Like, no matter how minor her role is, like, I haven't seen Baywatch, but I would assume that her screen presence, even in that movie, is like, fantastic because it's Priyanka Chopra. But the role of Roma, I was a little disappointed. Like, I think they could have done a lot more with it than they did.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, Roma, now that I think about it, it was mostly used as a plot device to let the audience know that this is actually Dawn. Other than that, there was not much of her role. Even if, let's say, Roma were to not be in that story, right? Vijay would have still continued. He would have still like escaped. Like Roma didn't really do anything in all of that. Only at the end when he's basically trying to flaunt that, oh, I'm Dawn, that's when Roma ka role comes into picture. So she was mostly used as a plot device in this one, at least.
Also, because I think
Dawn
original
to
Dawn mein that whole twist thing doesn't happen, and she plays the primary love
Yeah.
interest.
Yeah.
Isme she doesn't
Yeah.
end up being the love interest, so you feel that she's being discarded off. And
Yeah, she becomes
eventually
more of
really
a
doesn't leave
buri
an impact.
aadat
Buri hai.
in more ways than one.
But like
Yeah.
this is one of my I think my favorite performance by Priyanka, and like I was a huge fan. Like I was a huge like I still admire her quite a bit. But to the extent that I would go on Facebook and write comments like PC rocks with multiple X's.
You need to start a PC simping podcast also.
Comments, status update, whatever they
I think
used to
Nick
be.
Jonas might just start one. उसको देखा है?
I mean, I
उससे
wouldn't
बड़ा
blame
simp
him to
कोई
be
नहीं है
like.
दुनिया में प्रियंका चोपड़ा के लिए.
Yeah, but he's too cute. They look good together.
But
But
yeah, I
Shah
think
Rukh
in
and
that
PCF.
everybody is sort of looking so good in this movie, and I think the style
Yeah.
quotient बहुत ज़्यादा, like Boman Irani also, यार, imagine he's also pulling it off so well, and
And
you
he's
haven't seen
doing
him
so
in
many
that.
action scenes, like with no,
Yeah.
like doesn't seem like a lot of effort. It looks very effortless.
Hey, one more thing on the style
Yeah.
quotient. I feel like a lot of early 2000s fashion does not age well, but that doesn't seem to be the case for this movie. I don't know if you noticed, but even the stuff that Priyanka and Isha and Kareena were wearing it's
Yeah.
not something that will go out of style even today. I mean, it's still the 2000s fashion, like it's still the skinny jeans, long top, low rise, whatever, but it's not tacky like a lot of early
Yeah.
2000s fashion kind of feels now.
Yeah, it was
Um,
really also
I
it was
had
really elegant.
One,
Sorry.
I have
Yeah,
one
the
question,
gowns were
Manya.
gorgeous.
Too gorgeous. I agree. Well, I want them. You all have watched Dawn, na? Original OG wala, 70s
Yeah.
wala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I have one thing that it's been in my mind. I find whenever like I rewatch Dawn and all the songs and everything, I see that even though like Shah Rukh was given some kind of leeway in showing his flamboyancy, a lot as Dawn. And when I think of Amitabh, I think of an angry young man and the kind of aura that he had all this while.
More macho.
So yeah, like the machoism, like high and all of that. And I didn't, even though Dawn is supposed, like in this movie as well, like I'm kind of scared of him with the things he's doing. And at the same time, I'm like, oh, so cute, come here, baby. But that's me all the time. But I don't think that's the vibe I've ever had with AB. So like just as a comparison, like is that the difference, like a big difference when you experience the two movies together? Like that is very macho and
yeah, I
like
haven't
that?
seen the original Dawn in almost like 20 years now. But when I watched it, I wouldn't say when I watched it, but when I watch any old Amitabh movie, I feel like he's that more stereotypical male lead character, right? Like whether in a negative role or in a like positive role, he has more of that. I don't know what the word, more masculinity to him. Not necessarily in a bad way, but it's the older masculine ideal that, you know, is not as popular nowadays. Whereas with Shah Rukh, I don't think I've ever felt that. Like maybe somewhat in like Pathaan Jawan last year, but before that, yeah, I think Shah Rukh does give a little bit more like playful feminine flair to his characters, even like, you know, even someone as vicious, scary, and like definite negative role sort of character like Dawn.
Like in this
Yeah.
movie, all his shots and all the clothes he's wearing are very colorful, very, I don't know, fluid, flowy and all that. That purple shirt that he wears in the beginning or
Flamboyant.
something, which is yeah, very. Man, he carries them with such panache. So that's always been in my head. Ki when I go and watch Dawn from the 70s, probably it would be a very different vibe than this one. And
Yeah, even I didn't feel like I was like falling head over heels in love with AB, like the character that he was playing. He was too stiff for me because I always associate like these kind of mannerisms with Dawn because I've watched the Shah Rukh Dawn many times, right? So I kind of love that he has that feminine streak that Disha mentioned, right? That he's so comfortable with it. He's just like, yeah, and I am even like I am this person, and also I am Dawn that you should be scared of, and I might just kill you. Like he has that kind of, he just carries it all together. Yeah, I didn't really like the mannerism of Amitabh Bachchan in the old movie, but I guess yeah, it was for its time. That was what the ideal was, and that was what he was trying to play.
Yeah.
But
And
yeah,
Also,
I'm
like,
for
that's
the
sort of
new
the
one.
character he pioneered, right? The angry
angry
young
Yeah.
man. So
man.
I don't know, उसके पहले थोड़ा romantic hero चल रहा था, and that is when Amitabh Bachchan's angry young man role became the big thing for quite a few years, and then things fell flat, and then Shah Rukh's kind of character, you know, sort of softer version of the male lead hero. So both of them sort of pioneering their own times and their own characters, and that's what Amitabh Bachchan was playing into, I'm pretty sure. And you ask, I think,
Yeah.
any man of that generation, for them, Dawn is Amitabh Bachchan, and
Yeah.
for us, Dawn is just Shah Rukh Khan. There's nobody else. And
Yeah,
I
I
don't
don't
know,
think the
God forbid, for the next generation is going to be bloody Ranveer Kapoor, Ranveer Singh.
Yeah, it's gonna be Ranveer Singh now.
I don't
Yeah,
think
but
Unfortunately.
Amitabh's Dawn could be like as playful about things as this Dawn was. Like in the sense,
Yeah.
just for
yeah,
just for funsies, he's, you know, he's singing Khai Ke Paan Bana. So like, you know, it's not Vijay, it's actually Dawn. Like he's just, you know, pretending to Priyanka that he's this innocent
yeah.
like little Banaras boy. And I really can't see Amitabh playing a character that would do that.
Yeah, there they really did a proper separation that only Vijay can do this and Dawn will do like these kind of things. So I think
Yeah.
that was very yeah, he played two characters that are very different. Yahan pe he was mostly Dawn. Vijay was just for 2 minutes in the movie for like that one song.
And then Khai Ke Paan Banaras wala is happening somewhere in Malaysia, where
Yeah.
all these desis are coming in. And I'm buying into it. Like, I think I wouldn't have, like, I was questioning it in my head, ki, did I miss something? Because I was missing the plot very much earlier. So मैंने सोचा, हो सकता है वो इंडिया आ गए हो, कहीं, you know, northeast side में कहीं घूम
I
रहे
mean,
होंगे. And
like, why
then,
would you not buy into it? यार अगर वो मतलब they can go to bloody Switzerland and sing songs, and they can
He's
go
like, of
New
all
York
the
में
things
चलना
in
गा
this
रहे हो.
movie that you would not buy.
There are Indians in Malaysia, no, उनका हो रहा, उनका community है वहाँ पे, वो लोग अपने शादी बना
वो
रहे हैं,
बैठ रहे
या
होंगे, तुमको
शिवरात्रि
भांग
जो भी
पिला
चल
रहे
रहा है.
होंगे.
Yeah, तो I mean,
Yeah.
that is one of the more believable parts of the movie. वो एयर बोलो खुली हवा में घूमता हुआ एक दूसरे बंदे का अपने आप को टारगेट कर रहा है, and that all of that is slightly more unbelievable, and some plot lines here and there which you give sort of Bollywood license to कि ठीक है कोई नहीं, this much is okay.
मतलब मैंने मान लिया था थोड़ा, मतलब मैंने इससे ज्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं किया था उसको, लेकिन क्वेश्चन कर रही थी कि मैंने कुछ मिस कर दिया, मैंने मूवी में कुछ नहीं किया कि मूवी की गलती है.
ये गलती मेरी है, मैंने कुछ गलत किया होगा. मूवी तो was making complete sense throughout.
कंप्लीट सेंस. तुमका क्या बताई भैया कि हमारा हाल क्या है. यस आई नो व्हाट यू मीन, मेरा भी वही हाल है, मुंह जल गया है.
Cold water, please. Cold water.
Cold water, please. This has to be an ongoing meme now. Oh God.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to go to like rating, rewatchability?
We are gonna simp, no? What? I want to tell so
Oh, I
much
thought that
things
was
about.
first. No, yeah, whatever. Simp
This
moments
is
we can start with.
I think I would trust Manya more than I would trust Preeti on the order in which we do things in terms of memory.
I swear.
I think we should rate and review and then go to Simp Moments, guys.
ठीक है, go Manya.
I mean, for me, what I want to call out is that your scale of 0 to Bazigar needs to be modified. It now
Acha.
needs to be 0 to Dawn. And I
Okay.
would place Dawn in like 10,000 out of whatever scale you want. For me, I have watched it for Shah Rukh and rewatchability. I mean, I have watched it so many times now. In fact, for this episode, I watched it twice. The first time I was just trying to like remember all of the story and everything. The second time I was like, okay, I need to make a plot and quiz out of it. Okay, so I was watching it and I kept forgetting. I kept forgetting that I need to pay attention because I would keep simping over Shah Rukh. The same thing happened yesterday also. I was like, okay, now I've watched it twice, like recently only, so I completely remember it. In this watching, I need to make a quiz, and I again forgot. So I had to do it all over. So for me, I will watch it however many times, with pleasure.
Will you watch it
What
if
about
with
you guys?
not Shah Rukh? Them?
Uh, I mean, I have watched it once for research, but no, I didn't. I didn't enjoy it as much as I did Shah Rukh's Dawn. So, yeah, I would probably not watch it a lot of times. I would give it a shot. The story is definitely interesting, but I won't watch it again and again. Yeah.
I think
Diksha?
for me, I would still, this movie is not as good as Bazigar, sorry guys, but it's still like a 4. Really good movie. Would I watch it for anyone other than Shah Rukh? Yeah, not many times. Like Manya said, like I will watch the Ranveer Dawn when it comes out. I did watch the Amitabh Dawn. Nobody does it like Shah Rukh does, but yeah, I mean, it's a fun genre of film, so I would watch it.
Yeah. I think
Yeah.
I mean I'm gonna rate it like 5. It's as good as Bazigar for me for sure. It's if without Shah Rukh, would I mean they're two separate questions. One is would it be a would it be a good movie? It would be an amazing movie. Like I'm pretty sure somebody could like Ritik could do their independent version of Dawn and still make it a very good movie. But having watched Dawn, would I watch Dawn with somebody else? I don't think so. But had it been somebody else and I didn't know Shah Rukh was there, I would watch. So to make that caveat because it's so Dawn is so iconic in my mind with Shah Rukh playing him. It's very difficult to associate somebody else, and that's why I relate to all the protests going on against Ranveer Singh.
In the year
Make
2036,
it-
when some new age director decides to remake the Shah Rukh Dawn with more added twists, with उस जमाने का जो भी superstar है, I don't know, like whoever
Yeah.
Kartik Aaryan ka next in line.
Oh my god.
Kartik Aaryan doesn't
Ziggy
even
will be
come
like,
in this
I'm not
conversation.
watching this.
Yeah.
My
No,
principle.
I'll be there.
Listen, Kartik Aaryan is not allowed to be spoken of in our podcast, okay? This is like banned word.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Uh,
What was
Kartik
your
Aaryan
rating,
doesn't
Preeti?
mean a band. 5.
And I think rewatch. I mean, I've rewatched this movie so many times कि जब मैं प्राइम पे मैंने लगाया था वो स्टार्ट ओवर करके ऑप्शन आया मेरे पास वो प्ले का ऑप्शन नहीं है तो ये मैं बहुत and so I have this thing like this weird quirk if I see a scene of a movie if I see it on say or whatever YouTube shorts or Instagram reels or Facebook whatever जब भी होता था तो I have this urge to watch the whole movie and
Niggy, so boomer. 2 of the 3 things he said were Facebook and YouTube shorts. Like, wow.
what YouTube shorts are new dude what do you mean this?
Oh, Niggy. My sweet summer child.
But
Whatever.
as a boomer.
But like so anyways I was saying I have this thing so मेरे साथ एक बार 2022 या 2023 में कभी हुआ था कि I saw Dawn 2 का एक scene in the prison when Shah Rukh sort of gets imprisoned with Boman Rani and they try and escape. So I saw that 1 minute and then I watched the whole of Dawn 2. And because I watched more Dawn 2, I watched the whole of Dawn. So I keep doing this with Shah Rukh movies in the sense कि मैंने एक बार ऑटो प्ले पे K3 जी कुछ कुछ होता है कलोना भी देख रखी है वो 9 घंटे so but yeah just a little context but I've seen Dawn like a lot of times so and I will obviously rewatch it आगे जाके भी so yeah multiple absolutely rewatchable
Dickie, Dawn और
Okay.
कुछ कुछ होता है.
Oh, I will answer this later. Very difficult.
What was
Yeah.
your
So
rating?
okay.
I think I missed it.
Five.
Yeah, 5.
Okay.
5 out of 5. I think
Yeah.
this is the
Nothing
first
wrong.
movie
Like
Dickie
Shah Rukh
given
looking
5 out of 5.
hot as anything. Like he's doing
Yeah.
really good action. Everything is perfect. So what do I have to complain?
Let me go ahead. Four and a half actually, not 5 for me. There were bits of it which didn't have Shah Rukh, and I was like, where is Shah Rukh? I just want to.
That is why she's cutting half of वहाँ पे यार.
Yeah,
No,
my rating
the
matters.
inner
Yeah,
fangirl and the inner
absolutely.
cinephile inside her are fighting, and she's like, okay, fine, I can't make the cinephile lose, but I will also not give the real reason.
Yeah, like Bazigar, probably because Bazigar is a lot more closer to me because I've seen it like as a child and all of that. So the comparison probably is like I can't do that. And I haven't seen Dawn a lot of times. And at the same time, when I was watching this time, I was like blown by the film, like the way it was directed and everything. Some of the scenes were really shot well. So as a cinephile, yes, I'm moving towards saying 5 because the BGM is great, the music is great, Shah Rukh is great, everybody is just great. And at the same time, just like thoda sa aur Shah Rukh hota to shayad 5 ho jate. So probably that's my reason. But yeah, great movie. We'll watch it again completely. I have no reason why I didn't watch it. Probably because मैं बहुत action movies नहीं देखती थी. But I had so much fun watching it and rewatching it because I missed some of it. So definitely going to be a rewatch very, very soon. Will I watch it for anybody else than Shah Rukh? Completely no. I think मेरे से तो ये सवाल पूछना बंद कर देना चाहिए because
Like, literally Diksha introduced us as a measure of objectivity.
मैं objective है ही नहीं. So, मतलब it's a good movie. The story is good and everything, but the kind of pizzazz, panache, and all of that Shah Rukh gets to the movie, yeah, like very, very hooked. I feel with his aura and the way he represents any character. I don't think I will be very excited to watch Ranveer Singh wala version. I will watch it obviously because I also like him as an actor. But yeah, not very excited about it. So yes, those were my ratings for my Donji.
Okay. Yeah, fair.
Good.
I think nobody went below 4, so that's awesome.
Dude, below 4
Yeah.
for Dawn, that's bloody blasphemy. You're not allowed on this podcast if you're rating Dawn below 4.
Oh my god.
Exactly.
Dickie's gonna kick me off this
Diggy.
podcast when we do the Kuch Kuch Hota Hai episode, but anyway, we're not doing it today. Let's talk about simp
Yeah.
moments, guys.
Let's do it. Who wants to
So
start?
many.
Let's
Vanya,
let
you go
Preeti
ahead.
start.
Okay, then
Okay, yeah, let's
we'll
let
just
Preeti start.
go into this vortex.
It's okay.
मतलब थोड़ा
Go for
ऐसे
it,
हाँ
Preeti.
वही है वो विशेष हो जाएगा मैं सब कुछ ही बोल दूंगी
ठीक है फिर किसी और को बोलने ले दो मान्या तुम बोलो
मान्या को बोलने दो later.
Okay, I'll
For
get
sure.
started with the couple and then you guys can continue from that. So I think one of the initial scenes where Shah Rukh is wearing a glove and then he takes off his glove with like his teeth, one finger at a time. It is, oh my god, that I was watching, I have rewatched that scene so many times. It is so hot. I loved it. And I think also at the same that Paris deal, no, the other guy who's TJ, he says, I've always liked you, Dawn. And then Dawn says, yeah, I've also always liked me. I loved it. That smile, that confidence, that was so perfect. Yeah, another simp moment was when Roma tries to kill Dawn or Vijay. And then he was like, Tumne aaj tak meri jaan nahi li. Thank you very, very much. The way he says it is too amazing. So yeah, multiple of these, but I'll let you guys get some of the other ones.
I'll add to Manya's last simp moment, which is also one of mine. The 2-3 times that Priyanka Chopra tries to kill Shah Rukh, I didn't really pay attention to the dialogue, but what I loved was the way it doesn't even take him a second to flip it back on her. Like, matlab she
Yeah.
comes at him with a knife and suddenly there's a knife at her throat. She points a gun at him and the gun's on her now. Like, as in he's just so smooth with his movements and it's too cool. Second thing I had in mind was, actually it's a very stupid thing, but I thought it was very cute, is this entry in the movie where he's entering that ballerina thing and he's just like dancing into the room and he's like chilling and having
Yeah.
a good time. So it really sets the tone for the kind of Don he's about to play.
Go ahead, Diggy.
Go for it.
So, I mean, there's
Action
so
scene, Diggy.
many.
Action scene लाना है.
So my first is when he's watching Tom and Jerry. Like he's just like, I mean that's the bloody Don, right? He can
No,
just
wait.
sit in a pool.
I need to remind listeners that Shah Rukh is naked in the scene in a bathtub. Continue, Diggy.
Yes.
I was saying that this kind of Don that he's playing, that he can be topless or naked and in a bath, just watching something like Tom and Jerry, like something as amateurish as that. And that still can feel threatening when he finds out about Ramesh. You still feel a little scared. Ki, shit, yaar, abhi ye kya karega? So I think how he pulled that off. And okay, my second same moment is not just like one; it's just across the board, all action scenes. Like, because one, they were done so well. Apparently, like stunt directors from Mission Impossible and all were called. And the last scene, Shah Rukh directed the stunts and the action himself, because some story about the stunt director or the action director not getting it right and Bowman and Annie getting very late. Shah Rukh did that himself. And the last one is so cool, especially one when he hits him with his elbow, his teeth is coming out.
On
so
the head.
ferocious. Yeah. So good.
Yeah,
So
that's really nice.
yeah, that and I think that's it. There are quite a few many, but I'll limit it to two and hand over to Preeti.
चलो प्रीति 5 मिनट है
Go for
तुम्हारे
it,
पास.
Preeti.
मैं ये 5 मिनट में सांस नहीं लूंगी. Okay, first is when the terrible shoes thing, when he's playing the goth and the way he sings it. Oh my God, my heart was like, okay, now like you have my attention, not going anywhere, not even blinking. When he actually, the second is when he actually is wearing that hoodie thing to scare Ramesh. Ramesh ही होता है ना उसका नाम, जो भी इसको मारता है वहाँ पे.
Yeah.
हाँ, कि तुम मुझे I don't care. But and the way he's leaning and then he's saying कि मुझे पहले बता देते कि तुम छोड़ना चाहते हो and all of that. And the way, actually I like the way the scene is also shot. So that third, the bathtub scene, obviously. The difference between the way Diggy describes his synth moment and mine is that he is in a bathtub. And mine is and he'll say he is watching cartoon and I will probably be like, he is in the bathtub having a ball and talking to people on phone and also laughing at a cartoon. So okay, third is sorry, I want to like
Fourth.
say all of them very Fourth? Acha, sorry, okay. The Jungly Billy scene, both of them. The way he says it in her ear and the kind of power play that is, it is done extremely, extremely well. Actually, the fifth one is the whole song Aaji Ki Raat, when he comes into the song. Priyanka Chopra is amazing in the song. Isha Kopikar was given a very pathetic balloony dress, which I am not a fan of. But the moment Shah Rukh comes in that song in the last Antara, the way the energy of the song changes and the way he's dancing, the happy, there's something about it. I was like, yes, this Don really needs to bloody win everything in the world. He deserves it. He's my boy. So, and the last whole action fighting scene, when like that reminded me so much of Bazigar. If like I didn't know Shah Rukh directed it, by the way, Diggy, so I'm very, very happy to hear it, because in my head it's like, yeah, I can tell why he's so good at, like, I could see so much some resemblance to Bazigar, some things about the DDLJ fight scene that he has had added when he was doing the movie. So all in all, y'all, I think मैं मतलब वो सांस भी ले रहा था तो मैं simp कर रही थी, so sorry, I have.
And also like the dialogue he says in that last one, ना, नहीं तुम्हारा प्यार मुझे यहाँ खींच लाया. That was so perfect.
Yeah.
और वो जो ईशा बोलती है ना, ये तुम तो छोड़ने वाले थे सिगरेट, एंड देन ही सेड क्या क्या छोड़ दो, द देवदास represent, I
Yeah.
was like
Yeah.
अभी बोलेगा माँ ने, किस बापूजी ने कहा पारो को छोड़ दो. And then Baksha of the drug mafia land or something, I don't know. Yeah, everything. Dawn exists and I am a simp. Yes, 5 minutes over, I think.
Almost.
All right. Okay. After that amazing simping part, let's move on to the quiz. I have tried my best, but I don't create quiz questions, so I don't know how this is going to turn out.
None of us
Apart from
create
Diksha,
quiz
none of us do.
questions.
Have you seen our questions? They're like, इसका नाम बताओ, इसका ये बताओ.
No,
At
dude.
least
I
my
think
questions,
I
at
think
least
the
my
Fir
questions are
Milenge
like
Chalte
that.
Chalte question is still the best question we've had so far on the non-quiz episodes. I won't
Okay.
compare Arvid's quiz to what we do.
Yeah, especially once you had the quiz episode, I'm like, now how? Like, there's no competition. It's gone. Now you
अरे
can
नहीं नहीं,
just do
वो
a
तो
bad quiz.
that is just an anomaly, right? मतलब वो तो dedicated quiz
Yeah.
episode है, और उसने
Yeah, that
उसको
was
I
too
had given
good.
him months of notice and he spent months on it. So that's
Yeah.
okay.
डिग्गी कॉल के बीच में बना रहा होता है, ठीक है, जब हम ऐसे मैं थर्स्ट कर रही होती हूँ तो डिग्गी को लगता है ये चलेगा 5
Yeah.
मिनट में क्विज
मैं
बना
कॉल
लेता
तेरी
हूँ.
कॉल पे सुना रहा था.
Okay, cool. So one question to Diggy took. One of my questions was what cartoon was he watching? But now we all know it was Tom and Jerry in a simp moment. But yeah,
Oh.
they're all buzzer rounds. So just say your name as
shit.
the buzzer, and there are a couple with multiple answers, but I'll talk about it when we get there. So are you guys ready?
I know you had
Yeah.
like one of the questions prepared like 2 months ago because I was in the car and she was like, I just thought of a question and she told everybody else in the car except for me what the question was. I was like, what the hell?
Oh,
That was
God.
actually not related to Dawn, so I can't ask it, but I'll do like a bonus at the end. That's not related to Dawn at all. It's just a Shah Rukh related question. Yeah. Okay. So first question. Oh, I'm supposed to keep score now.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry, we're all competitive here. We will also keep score.
अपना तो
Okay,
रख ही
cool,
रहे
cool.
होंगे.
So all answers are like 1 point each. Okay. What were the 2 character names of Kareena?
Diksha,
I said it first.
Digvijay
Right?
I said it
first, yeah.
first. No.
Kamini and Sonia.
Yeah,
Sonia.
Nice. Okay. Second question. What is the tagline of the movie?
Diggy.
है.
Dawn, the chase begins again.
Yes. Nice job. Guys, you have to catch up. What is this?
Preeti, did you just say diggy? Blah, blah, blah?
देख प्रीति इस quiz में थोड़ा अंडर परफॉर्म करे तो it's okay. Like she went through a lot yesterday. I mean, she went through a lot.
यार मेरे को इसका आंसर पता था, मैं प्रीति बोलने जा रही हूँ, मैं नाम ही भूल गई, फिर मुझे डिगी दिख रहा था कि डिगी बोलने वाला
It
था, मैंने
happens,
डिगी
Preeti.
बोल दी.
It happens to the best of us. Okay.
Okay,
Out
so
of
Diggy
one.
with a
Ah,
massive
okay.
lead.
Of 2 points.
Yeah. The next question is, Dawn says this dialogue, इंसान के शरीर में ऐसी कितनी जगहें हैं जहां तरीके से मारा जाए तो उसकी मौत हो सकती है?
Diggy, but what's the question?
कितनी? What is the number?
Oh,
How many
अच्छा.
like these pressure points are there?
Oh, अच्छा अच्छा. Sorry.
Question
I
समझे
don't
बिना
know.
नाम बोल दिया. He knows
मुझे
the
लगा
movie
हर
too
कोई
well. आप बोल दो.
Negative points if he doesn't get it, by the way.
अरे what?
क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पता था आपको, क्वेश्चन पूरा नहीं करने दिया ना आपने.
अरे उसने
प्रीति अपने
question बोल
rules
दिया
बना
था.
रही है.
She completed the
Preeti,
Okay,
question.
so you have to
Anya
answer.
will take my side.
That was not my plan, but I can do negative points if you guys want, but I'll have to do that to everybody.
I love
Okay,
it.
Diggy, go give your answer.
18?
No, that's wrong. Anybody else wants to take a
Diksha.
guess?
Why did I think of 18?
Yeah, go for it.
Is it 2?
नहीं नहीं. It's a high number.
Okay,
I
Preeti, do you
just
want to
guessed
start?
it's like दिल और दिमाग or something like that.
ये
Metaphorical.
logical answer नहीं है.
नहीं, मैं सोचा
Partial
metaphorical
answer.
answer होगा.
Preeti, 4.
No. Okay, it was 36, 36 ऐसे
अरे.
points हैं. Yeah.
1836, somewhere in my mind it was making some
Diggy was
sort of logical
closest,
sense.
but you're still quite far off. Yeah, he says it initially when he's in Paris. He's doing that deal with TJ, and
Yeah,
TJ is
Chunky
like, "अब मैं
Pandey.
तुम्हें मारूंगा." Yeah. And then he's like,
Shit,
he
yeah.
says this dialogue.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So nobody gets this. Next question. सोनिया के मिलने और उसके डॉन के होटल रूम आने में कितना टाइम
Diggy,
का फर्क होता है? Go for it.
half an
Yeah. Yes.
भाई मतलब स्कूल सिलेबस से भी ज्यादा पढ़ के आया है ये मूवी।
अरे वो देखी
जिंदगी
ना
में
मैंने।
इतनी बार देखी है, मेरे दिमाग में भी मतलब पता नहीं 2 घंटे 3 घंटे कुछ हुआ। then after he said it I'm like अच्छा हाँ वो डायलॉग था ना when he's all like जो बहुत जल्दी पट जाती है अब जल्दी पटती नहीं।
Yeah. Okay. Come on, guys. What is happening?
I think
What is
Diggy's gonna
happening
sweep.
is Diggy. What is happening? Diggy has stratified the movie in a way that we can't
Nice.
compete.
Yeah, I'm very
Yeah.
proud of you. Thank you. At least you know the answers. Otherwise, if nobody would have known any of the answers, that would have been weirder. So this is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, this is kind of a harder question. कि जो डॉन की इंडिया में डील थी वो किसके साथ थी? Do you remember the name of the person?
Diggy.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh shit. Jug. Oh man. Jagjit.
No, it's not Jagjit.
Oh
Does
man.
anybody want to take a guess?
Shit. नहीं यार. Fuck. Sorry. Go ahead.
Is it with some Joshi? No.
नहीं. जोशी तो उसका बॉस होता है.
हाँ, Joshi is Jasjeet का boss.
अरे कुछ जे टाइप सी है यार.
Yeah. Okay, fine. I'll give you like half a
JJ.
point. It was Jairaj.
Oh shit.
Wow, Jagjit gets him half a point for Jairaj.
I mean, I'm okay if you don't give me. That's also fine. I definitely remember JJ something who just Jeet se.
Okay, let's go to an easier question. What is the name of the little kid that
Diksha.
Jairaj-
Pretty. I said it first.
I think I said it first.
Manya should decide. Yeah, whoever she heard first.
Nikki, you're
What do you
already
I heard all
winning.
of them.
You don't have to.
Okay, so I did hear Diksha before Preeti, so I'll let Diksha take this.
You didn't hear me at all, kya?
I heard you somewhere in the mess, but I heard Diksha first.
That's fine.
Deepu.
That's fair. That's fair. Yeah.
Yeah, Deepu. Okay.
Cool.
By the way, sorry, before you go to the next question, which by the way, when you guys were talking about कि इसको हमने कहीं और देखा है movie में and everything, and you guys were discussing Tare Zameen Par or something, I was so lost watching Shah Rukh that I was like, ये दिखा तो कौन कहाँ से?
Yeah, we were talking about Deepu.
Oh my God,
She thought we were
Preeti.
talking about Deepika.
Did you also
Go
think
ahead,
that
so
we
you're
didn't know which movie we've seen Deepika in? Or like we don't know what Deepika looks like?
दीपिका तारे ज़मीन पर में कहाँ से आ गई थे?
At this point, her brain is not making the connections which aren't linked to Shah Rukh Khan. घूम रहे हैं खुले हवा में.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Mane.
Okay, next question. What was so Vijay was wearing a very weird shirt when he was in the hospital, and he was like looking at Dawn, and De Silva was telling him everything. Can you tell me what was on Vijay's shirt?
I knew
Yeah.
Preeti is the only one who has a chance at getting this. Neither me nor Nikki were paying attention to it. It was on Vijay's show.
It was very like it just caught my eye because I was like, what the fuck? Why? But yeah, go Preeti.
He is wearing a cartoon. Like he's wearing some animated. वो black t-shirt की बात करें ना hospital
Yeah,
when
that
he's
black
just
t-shirt. Yeah.
high chesting him
Yeah.
and standing in front of the doctor. Yeah, I know what it is, but I don't like.
I
can
don't know
picture
what it
but-
is.
I can guess what it is. It'll be wrong, but I don't mind guessing
Guess.
if Preeti is giving
It's a green thing. It's a green.
Yeah.
I remember everything, but I don't remember what it's. मम्मी अच्छा बता दो यार.
Is it going to Diksha?
Diksha, do you want to take a guess, Diksha?
I don't know. Is it The Simpsons?
No. It was
Can I
actually
guess?
Jackie Chan. Oh,
Oh,
shit.
chalo.
Oh
That's okay.
yeah,
It's
it
okay.
was Jackie Chan.
I was like, what is Jackie Chan? Why is this like meta? Does he want to
No,
do?
there was a dragon. So there was a dragon thingy fully
Yeah.
like behind it, and then there was Jackie Chan.
Yeah.
Half point for dragon दे दे यार माने.
After
You said
the
that
fact she
after
told
I
you
said
Jackie
the
Chan.
answer. Preeti, I am on your side, but I also have to be a little fair for the listeners.
अच्छा ठीक है, okay. ठीक है, next
Okay.
question. Or the questions are over.
No, we have a lot of other questions.
Yes.
So you guys
Okay.
can still redeem yourself. Okay, so Shah Rukh has actually sung one song from the movie. Can you tell me what it was?
Diksha.
Preeti,
Diksha first, yeah.
Diksha, yeah.
Khai ke paan banaras wala.
Khai ke paan banaras wala.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, nice. Okay.
मैंने वो गाया था थोड़ी देर पहले.
अच्छा, तो शाहरुख ने भी गाया था और मैंने पहले गेस कर दिया कि शाहरुख ने भी गाया था.
Consolation point for you, Preeti. ठीक है. In your head, you can imagine कि तुम्हें मिल गए. Okay.
Can you tell me? So this is like there are multiple answers, but I'll do the way I think in the last episode that you guys did. One person will press the buzzer. So let's say Diksha. She says Diksha. You guess as many as you can. The moment you're wrong, the next person can guess.
Manya,
Okay?
can we give you points for knowing our podcast so well? Like, bloody hell, dude. It took me a second to
हमें भी नहीं पता.
हमने ऐसा क्या किया?
Yeah, I was actually going to ask you to repeat the instructions.
Okay.
Look at this.
Okay, so does now everybody understand the format?
No,
This only
can you
for this
please repeat
question.
the instructions?
Okay.
Question.
Okay, so let's say, okay, let's say the question is what are the big four metros in India, right? So there's Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, right? So let's say these four are the answers. I've just asked the question. You guys press the buzzer. Somebody's gonna, let's say Diggy presses the buzzer. He says Delhi, Mumbai, and then Ahmedabad. So he's wrong at Ahmedabad. So he gets points for Delhi and Mumbai. But then between the rest of you, somebody else has to press the buzzer now for the other answers.
Yeah.
And how do you get
Is
points?
that
You have to guess all.
so? Like 1 point for each answer.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is a very simple. इतना time मैंने इस पे लगाया है. It's a very simple question.
Go ahead.
What were the locations that were shown in the movie?
Diksha.
Go for it.
Shit, why did I bother? I only remember Kuala Lumpur.
Okay.
Suddenly I'm like, Banaras. Okay, Banaras.
Banaras was not in the
बनारस
movie.
नहीं
I'm just-
दिखाया है ना.
Okay.
She got it
Then I'm
wrong the
wrong.
first time.
प्रीति.
Yeah. Okay. So you got Preeti go.
अरे यार.
कुआला लंपुर.
Kuala Lumpur बोल दिया उसने.
हाँ,
उसका
Kuala
point
Lumpur
नहीं है.
बोल
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक है. वो भारत बोलते हैं, इंडिया भारत.
Yeah,
जब वो शुरू
India
होता है,
is
so
one,
India,
yeah.
but basically they also show Mumbai, like the whole Moria,
Yeah.
those that, and Malaysia.
Hey, what is
That's
Kuala Lumpur?
Kuala
Kuala Lumpur is in
That's
Malaysia.
What? Malaysia and India? You
Diggy.
can't say.
Diggy.
Yeah, Diggy. Yeah.
Langkawi.
What? No.
City,
Where
no?
they don't say it at least.
I mean, it's short. The fight scene is short there. That's why I know.
It's short there, but they don't say that it's a location. in the
Oh,
movie.
they have to say it.
Yeah,
It's
the
short there.
locations. Yeah, that they're
Paris.
calling out for the movie.
Paris.
Yeah, Paris was the last one. Okay,
you
so
said
all
it
of
in
you
the
get
beginning also.
like
points,
one,
na?
So we get 1 point each.
No,
Preeti gets 2
one
I said-
point each. Bombay
मैंने
was not
India भी-
really
अच्छा, Bombay,
called out.
India is also. हाँ.
ऐसा लग रहा
Bombay,
था कि
India.
वो Bombay है, but yeah, immediately after they said Bharat, they went to Bombay wala. So I'm just assuming it's the same place. But
okay.
Yeah, you don't get 2
Fine.
points for Bombay and India.
ऐसे तो Kuala Lumpur and
That's why I
Malaysia.
said Malaysia.
चलो.
Trying my luck.
um,
Okay, हाँ बोलो.
okay, then now some casting questions. Who was initially considered for the role of Don? Like Farhan
Diggy.
Akhtar, go.
Hrithik Roshan.
Hrithik
Hrithik
Roshan was initially considered, but then Farhan Akhtar realized that no, he wants somebody who's more established because Hrithik was quite new at the time. So
Yeah.
he went with Shah Rukh. And even the role of Jasjeet, this is the next question. Even the role of Jasjeet, which is played by Arjun
Diggy.
Rampal, was offered. Yeah. Go.
Akshay Kumar.
Yes. Oh my God, this is a sweeping win.
Okay, we had a good run. See you guys next week.
I did have more, but I feel like I'm just giving Diggy more points so we can stop.
No, go for it.
Ask, no,
Please,
it's
no,
fun
no,
trivia,
no,
dude.
no, no.
Ask.
Okay. There are some complete the dialogue questions, and I'll say the first part of the dialogue,
Oh, nice.
and you have to complete the dialogue. Okay. So, for example, if I say Don ko pakadna, and then you have to say Mushkil hi nahi naam hai. Yeah, this one I
Buzzer
told.
करना है ना?
हाँ,
Buzzer
buzzer
करना है
करना
ना?
है. Yes. Okay, complete this one.
प्रीति वार्म अप
डॉन
कर
के
रही थी
दुश्मन की
अपना.
सबसे बड़ी गलती.
डिगी
हाँ. Go
ये
Diggy.
गलत बात है.
डॉन की दुश्मन की सबसे बड़ी गलती है कि वो डॉन का दुश्मन
डॉन का दुश्मन है.
Yes. Nice.
है. I think this is
Okay,
just a
next.
question of who can buzz first, because I mean these are pretty iconic.
I mean,
Yeah,
I won't
yeah.
know them, but sure. दी को लगता है उसको मालूम है, सबको मालूम है.
अरे ये तो
उसके दिमाग में
ये तो
आइकॉनिक है तो लाइक यूनिवर्सली आइकॉनिक होना चाहिए.
ये डॉन की सबसे बड़ी गलती डॉन का दुश्मन है, वो तो
I
आइकॉनिक
did not know this. I would have guessed something like Don को underestimate करना or
God.
some shit like that.
Wow.
But I've seen this movie like a grand total of 3 times. I don't remember the dialogue.
Okay, the next one is so this happens when he's killing Ramesh, just for some context. Don says, "लोग Don को नहीं."
डॉन
Go
लोग.
Diggy.
दुनिया को छोड़ते हैं.
Yes. Okay, Diksha's just frustrated कि क्या हो रहा है. Okay, I'll give you last
No, I'm like
easy one. Okay,
What?
this is very easy. You have to get it. Please get it.
Manu like please get it.
Okay. So next dialogue is, मुझे 2 तरह की लड़कियां पसंद नहीं
Diggy.
आती.
दीक्षा.
प्रीति.
Diggy
said
did
it
say it
first.
Wait, डिगी को बस करना नहीं अलाउड नहीं होना चाहिए अब. डिगी ऑलरेडी.
ठीक है यार, ठीक है तुम ले लो, इट्स ओके.
Okay,
तुम ले
दीक्षा
लो,
go.
one of you take it.
एक वो जो हाथ आने में बहुत टाइम लगाती है और एक वो जो बहुत जल्दी हाथ आ जाती है.
Yeah.
Nice.
Actually, it's not hath. It's
Hath नहीं.
pass, but
Pass,
it's,
Whatever.
yeah, those were mostly the questions I had. I had some like harder ones for in case there's a tiebreaker, but I don't have that
पूछ ले, पूछ
situation.
ले.
No, पूछना. Ask the hard ones. Ask the hard ones.
What was
Diggy's
the
like-
car number that was shown at the end of the movie when Dawn gets out?
भाई.
I was
काफी hard.
noticing it yesterday. I was like, oh my
These are the
god,
kind
what,
of
like,
things Preeti notices. Time
Not in
क्या
the
Yeah.
movie
पता
where
है.
Shahrukh
These
is
questions
टी-शर्ट
are like
टी-शर्ट
more
पे क्या
Preeti.
था. हाँ, शाहरुख was looking way too hot, तो बेचारी प्रीति, मैं she had no chance, तो क्या कर सकते
हाँ,
हैं.
तो
घड़ी
मेरे को
वड़ी
जैकी
नहीं
चैन
notice
ड्रैगन मैंने किया था और मैंने वो भी
Yeah.
मतलब आई वुड हैव
प्रीति
थॉट
ने
कि
उस टाइम पे
मतलब
नोटिस किया, बट वो ओवरशैडो हो गया तेरी बाकी मेमोरीज से. तो इट्स ओके. नोटिस तो तूने किया
Yeah,
था.
I wasn't expecting that people would know this answer, but I had
Yeah,
it
no,
anyway.
was
गाड़ी
it
का नंबर
007 or 8 something, no, or was it 00?
1 2 3
No, it wasn't one.
Yeah, I was
बता दे
actually
मान्या,
seven.
बता दे.
It was,
यहाँ पे हम
it was
गिनती करते बैठ
ADJ
जाएंगे.
7. It was 7 only. So I'll give you a point,
Hmm.
Preeti, for that.
Wow.
Yay! I got 2 points.
All right. So that was the quiz. What
Is
did you
there
guys think?
is there more difficult questions or this is it?
This was I just had one for like a tiebreaker, which was
अच्छा.
yeah, it was a tough one.
मेरे को
I
लगा
have-
जो भी
I have
पूछेगी
a question. I have a question.
Yeah.
If you
Go for
when
it.
he's recounting, when he gets his memory back, he's recounting कि I know तुम कौन हो, and Narang tells him कि हमारे धंधे में हमारे दोस्त से ज्यादा दुश्मन के नाम लेना
दुश्मन के
जरूरी है.
नाम चाहिए था.
दुश्मन के नाम बताओ क्या थे. Let Manya take it.
Ramesh was one. Oh, sorry. Go for it, Manya.
Go ahead.
रमेश तो वो बोलता है कि मुझे याद है रमेश कौन है.
Yeah, मतलब
रमेश
उसके
like is the second one.
चार दुश्मन के नाम होते हैं. वो क्या थे?
Oh my god. De Silva, Vardhan.
Yeah, that's correct. रमेश उसने बोल दिया है, एक और है,
Yeah.
which is the
one
tough
more.
one, who doesn't make an entry like appearance on screen at all.
Is it? No, it can't be Boris. Boris was the boss. No?
No, I'll say it. It's Teja.
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 Teja, मैं हूँ माँ की तरह.
तेजा क्या है ये तेजा.
Oh, I also have one,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I don't. So in the safe there was a painting. Can I give you idea?
Yeah, it was that Manya. It was that
Oh,
screaming man painting.
yeah. It's called the Scream.
That was there in another episode, no? I feel like you only.
No,
had
I
a quiz
asked
that way.
about MF Hussain painting, which
MF
also
Hussain's
nobody got.
painting, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. got
So
it.
I had a question.
Okay.
बोल दे.
Yeah.
कि जब अर्जुन कपूर को वो उसका पासवर्ड
Arjun
गलत है
Rampal.
बुला सॉरी my brain is not braining. बट जब अर्जुन रामपाल जाता है वो पासवर्ड गलत है बोल रहा है चेंज करने के लिए, तो
पासवर्ड पूछ रही है तो
मैं पासवर्ड नहीं पूछ रही हूँ बट वो कैसे गलत होता है?
उल्टा होता
हाँ,
यस।
reverse होता है.
Manya, you had one more
Okay,
question
amazing.
outside the bounds of the movie, no? Do you want to ask that?
Okay, yeah, sure. That's
है
just
क्या
there's
था?
no points, but yeah, I just want to advertise this answer. So we all know that Deewana is Shah Rukh's first Bollywood film, right? That was his debut.
Yeah.
But there was actually another film that Shah Rukh had done before that. It did not have a theatrical release. It was only made for Doordarshan, and there is no like none of the original prints are like they're all lost. So can you name that movie?
Something Annie. I don't it's an
Yeah.
English language film. I can't remember the title exactly.
Yeah. We discussed this movie on like our chats also. I
Yeah.
think
Do you want to
It's-
guess the whole thing? But yeah, you're very close.
he plays a effeminate/gay character. I think ऐसा कुछ होता है.
He plays a gay man in that.
Gay
Yeah,
man,
like
yeah.
a college student.
College, हाँ.
Yeah, it's called In Which Annie Gives It Those Ones.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think it's on
This is-
YouTube. Like there's a bad print on YouTube, but there's not many prints that are available for the movie. Yeah, the only thing is it
Wow.
wasn't a Bollywood movie. It was a movie that he had done for like
telefilm
Doordarshan.
sort of a thing. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, that was the other question that I had.
Chalo.
Awesome. This has been so fun.
Awesome. So
And,
much fun.
yeah.
The
Diggy,
quiz
you
was
won
so
the
good.
quiz. So,
Thank you so much. The quiz was so much fun.
Oh yeah. We just don't take it for granted. We're like, we forgot to celebrate the Diggy one.
Congratulations, Jiggy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh yeah, wait. I was gonna sign off, but before we do that, Diggy, you're picking the movie for next week. So do you have it ready, or do you need a moment to think which movie we are watching next week?
It's 2000s, right?
Yep.
याद भी दिलाया था हमने वैसे डिग्गी तुमको कि याद से।
हमने excuse me प्रीति
प्रीति को कल की मूवी में क्या हुआ वो याद
Yeah.
नहीं है. Okay.
मुझको पहचानो पहचानो। Diggy, I'll sing for you till the time you're thinking about the
Thanks.
movie. Okay.
हाँ, okay, yeah, I've decided.
Okay, I'm
So we
guessing
get 1-1 या seat?
Yeah, one
yeah. I'll guess चलते
I really wanna say हम तुम्हारे
Okay.
This is 2000s, no?
Yeah.
हाँ.
I want to say Chak De.
Oh no,
wow.
we that's a guess movie.
Check
We
this
have-
take. Yeah. That's a guess movie. So you guess again.
Okay, let me look at the filmography. I don't remember.
अरे I'll tell you. It's this Hey Ram, शक्ति, चलते चलते, कल होना हो, ये लम्हे जुदाई के, वीर सारा स्वदेश, पहेली,
Okay,
ओम
Kal Ho
शांति
Na
हो,
Ho.
कल होना हो. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, Preeti's got it right. It's हम तुम्हारे सनम.
Awesome.
Oh my god, I can't wait
Looking forward to
watch
it.
that movie.
Really want to watch it.
I have seen that movie and it's
Yeah. Yeah. So have I.
well.
I've seen it twice.
I haven't seen it, so I'm looking forward.
Oh God, it's such a
The
cool movie.
phone call, the phone call between
I've seen
Salman
lots of
Khan.
clips of it.
Diksha, all I'll tell you is have a drink in your hand. Please don't watch it sober.
We will make a drinking game out of it, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Very
Chalo.
nice.
All right. Thank you
for
so much,
having me.
Manya.
Thank
for
you.
coming to the
And,
podcast. And second, more importantly, being such a bloody loyal follower. Knowing
Yes, I
our
will continue
podcast
to do
better
that.
than us.
And we will have you back again when we do Dawn.
But
2.
on to. Yes, we will.
Yes, I will be back. Very excited already. I will
Just
have
like Dawn.
questions spanning Dawn and Dawn too.
Wow. करेंगे. चलो. This has been
All right.
nice. Thank you so much for listening.
Yeah,
in if you're-
Thanks for
Bye,
the
guys.
listeners also.
Thank
Other
you,
Manyas out there
guys.
in the audience. Thanks.
You know how to get here.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
So, bye
Chalo,
guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.